Welcome back to my channel. It's ELLE KOS Glam. So glad that you can come back. Guess what? We'll be doing a weekly routine of cleaning. That's right, with a twist. I am going green for 2018. I am going to try to change all of my cleaning products over to natural and organic. And these are the products that I love. This video is not sponsored. I'm just sharing what I found to be one of the best cleaning product companies out there ever, and the variety you just can't beat. And also, if you sign up, you will receive a caddy, 2 walnut scrubbers, you'll receive a hand lotion, a dish soap, and a hand soap, all for free if you sign up with a subscription for a Grow Collaborative, and you spend $20. That's it. The reason why I'm supporting this company is because they believe in giving back to the earth, giving back to us, and by me working in healthcare under a sterile environment, I feel that this is the way that we can save the planet and also keep ourselves healthy and our families as well. I'm going to start step by step. So I'm going to take you through the whole process of my weekly cleaning with all natural ingredients. So let's get started. There are many things that I love when I bought the products from Grove, but this is my favorite. This is called the Bubble Up brush, and it has a little spring on the inside. You just put water in and some dish soap, preferably Miss Meyer's, and basil. I really like the scent. And you just pop it in and wash whatever dishes that's extra you don't want to throw in the dishwasher. You have extra dishes laying around. This is perfect for rinsing out that pot that's sitting there on the counter, or any small dish that you want to wash and do not want to put into the dishwasher. When I start my weekly cleaning, which is once a week, I do a deep cleaning. I like to clear out what's inside the dryer before I start and put a fresh load of clothes in to be washed. While that's washing, I like to do my deep cleaning. So I'm going to go ahead and take out everything out the dryer, put it on the bed, and start washing. Let me go ahead and throw a load of clothes in. I'm going to be using Method laundry detergent. This detergent does 10 loads. It's so concentrated, it's so small, and it works fantastic. And they even did the work for you. They measured all the quarts for you. That way you'll know how much to use every load. They did everything for you. So I'm going to start with my husband's bathroom, which is pretty much the most messiest place in the house. And I'm going to declutter and get everything off the counter. I'm going to pick up this Method glass and surface and wipe down the mirror. I love this on the mirror and glass because I have a lot of mirror and a lot of glass inside my home. So I'm going to use that to wipe down the mirrors, and I'm going to take a little bit around the sink. It works on the sink too as well. I was really surprised. I was just trying it out because that's my first time using it. It leaves a really nice smell. And please don't mind what I'm wearing. I always throw on something really old when I'm cleaning, and our home is in makeover mode, so you may see a couple of pictures on the floor. And we're all set with this bathroom. I went ahead and did the toilets as well and the floors. I'm going to move on to the next room now. When we use those harsh detergents and harsh chemicals, they are horrible for our respiratory system. They are irritants to us. So we want to try to go greener. And now I'm moving into our family room. I'm using a Shark vacuum cleaner to go ahead and sweep up any dust or hair that's on the floor. I'm old school. I like to use old school mops. I had 2 steamers. They broke. So now I'm back to square one using my oldie but goodie mop, and I'm going to use the anti-bac from Method to wipe down the floors. I really like the way this smelled. It had a really pleasant smell. It was kind of minty spearmint, and I really like the smell of it. Next, I'm moving on to the sink. I'm going to go ahead and deep clean my sink. I'm going to use this dish soap and the sponge that I ordered from Grove just to clean up a little bit of dishes that's left around. I don't really have a lot of dishes to go in the dishwasher, so I try to conserve water, and I'm just going to rinse it out really quick using this sponge. I really like the way that it cleans glass really quick. So I'm going to put it back in that cute little caddy, rinse it out, dry it off, and put it inside the cabinet. Using this sponge, I'm going to scrub down the sink. This is a walnut sponge. It's pretty durable. It's not rough at all, but it gets the job done. I'm going to use Miss Meyer's dish soap and scrub down the sink, getting any kind of scrum or crevice out, because I like to do this once a week. I give it a really thorough scrub down and a really deep clean. I'm going to go behind it with Method Anti-Bac and spray that down and scrub that over as well, just to make sure everything is disinfected, because we cook a lot. We cook every day. And I'm going to use that walnut scrubber to scrub down everything to make sure that it's clean. Get in between the crevices there, make sure everything is good. And what I like about this sponge is you can throw it in the dishwasher. You can sterilize it. I'm going to take some hot water that I just boiled and pour it down my garbage disposal, because you want to make sure that that stays clean. And I do this once a week. I'm very, very thorough. And then I'm going to take a lemon, cut it in half, and throw the other half down the garbage disposal. I'm going to squeeze it first and throw it down there. Turn on the garbage disposal, and it smells just like lemon. And it's a very pleasant smell inside the garbage disposal, because food can get trapped in there. Now I'm going to use the glass and surface to clean off my dining room table. This is my second dining room. I'm going to pull all the chairs back, make room so I can go ahead and wipe it down. I do this once a week because it collects a lot of dust in there. We are in makeover mode, so everything is not done yet. I haven't even painted. Haven't had time to paint, but I really appreciate you guys. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Hit that notification button and subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you love these type of videos, I'm going to get back to my hair and makeup, but I got to get organized for the new year. So I appreciate everybody watching. I'm going to put the plant back, and that's it for the dining room. That's all I've done. I really like the results from Anti-Bac. Now I'm going to take those clothes that I washed, go ahead and take them back in the room, and we're all set. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed this video. I love Grove Collaborative. Everything is down in the description box if you want to order. Live your dreams. Glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye, guys.